Thinking about buying the best 4K home theater projector, but not sure which one is worth your money? With so many choices offering Dolby Vision, Google TV, laser technology, and ultra-bright 2400 ANSI Lumens, picking the right one can be confusing. In this video, we've researched features, customer feedback, and overall value to bring you the top 5 best 4K home theater projectors of 2026 for movies, gaming, and everyday entertainment. Be sure to check the links in the description, and don't miss our number 1 pick. It might be the perfect projector for your setup. Let's get started. Number 5. The Daytime 4K Home Theater Projector delivers an impressive 2400 ANSI lumens for bright, vivid visuals and supports 4K HDR10+ with AI image optimization for a cinematic experience. Built-in streaming apps, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and Dolby-powered 2.1 audio with dual 38-watt speakers provide immersive entertainment without extra devices. Smart autofocus, auto keystone correction, obstacle avoidance, and an AI lens cover make setup effortless, while multiple HDMI, USB, and Ethernet ports ensure excellent connectivity for gaming, movies, and everyday home use. Number 4. The WiMiUS G2 is a smart home theater projector powered by Google TV 14.0, giving you direct access to popular streaming apps without extra devices. It features native 1080p resolution with 4K support, 1100 ANSI brightness, HDR10, and MEMC technology for smooth, vibrant visuals. Dolby audio speakers, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and HDMI eARC deliver immersive sound and connectivity. Autofocus, auto keystone, obstacle avoidance, and Chromecast make setup effortless, creating an excellent experience for movies, sports, gaming, and family entertainment. Number 3. This smart 4K projector combines Google TV, built-in streaming apps, and voice control to deliver an all-in-one entertainment experience. It supports 4K content with native 1080p resolution, HDR10, and 500 ISO ANSI brightness for sharp, vibrant visuals. The 360-degree rotating stand and ultra-short throw design offer flexible installation almost anywhere. AI autofocus, auto keystone, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and powerful 30-watt hi-fi speakers make it an excellent choice for movies, gaming, and outdoor entertainment. Number 2. The Kogata Smart 4K Projector delivers an impressive home theater experience with native 1080p resolution, 4K decoding, HDR10+, and AI-powered image enhancement for sharp, vibrant visuals. Autofocus, 6D keystone correction, obstacle avoidance, and zoom features make setup quick and effortless. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth connectivity, it supports smooth streaming and wireless audio connections. Capable of projecting up to 300 inches, this versatile projector is an excellent choice for movies, gaming, presentations, and outdoor entertainment with family and friends. Number 1. The Hisense Laser Mini Projector C2 delivers a premium home theater experience with true 4K resolution, AI upscaling, and advanced triple-color laser technology for stunning picture quality. Its 2000 ANSI lumens brightness, 1701 native contrast, and Dolby Vision support create vibrant, lifelike visuals on screens from 65 to 300 inches. The flexible gimbal design allows easy wall or ceiling projection, while the wide BT 2020 color gamut and JBL-tuned audio make it an excellent choice for movies, gaming, and immersive entertainment.